Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi. Like, thank you for watching my mommy. All right, guys, welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making one of that guy's favorites. We're going to be making, around here we call this like reindeer chow, but I also know it's called like Muddy Buddies. The only difference is we are not going to be using peanut butter. We will be using Biscoff spread, and it's fantastic. The combination of the semi-sweet chocolate with the Biscoff spread really just, it's perfection. So I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second.